I ain't gonna have no audio on it. Yeah, Mark on it. Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, whoa, yeah, go. Fucking that bitch, she so gone. Kicking this bitch, 9 minutes in the dough gone. What I be smoking this so strong, hardcore bitch, I'ma fuck with a coat on. Rich coat bitch, need to go put a coat on. Big load nigga, I come put a load on. Nigga, we beef, so keep you a pole on. You niggas be snitching, these niggas a roll on. She only suck on my dick with my
got down here to the gun range. Take a little Mark out. See, he gonna shoot the shotgun today. The motherfucker probably fly out his hand. You ain't gonna shoot it? Let's see how we shoot it.
You gonna make me go first?
I go first. I ain't scared to shoot that joint no more. Damn, it's straight sun out this motherfucker.
Greg, bring the tripod stuff down here, please. Yeah. Start taking everything out.
We better just stay down here, cause we better just stay down here, cause
If you look down,
it's a lot of water and shit.
it's muddy up there.
Real Riff nigga, I say so. This Riff nigga, that Draco. I'm in the trap with a Waco. We got them blocks like Lego. We pouring lean in the Fago. She wants to see how my day go.
It's my loadout.
Damn.
Yo, you ain't got your loadout out yet?
No, hold up, Captain, my bad.
He ain't got his loadout. We can't show y'all his loadout yet. Ooh, let's keep that shade right there.
We got an extra class up there. We got some more class over here. What's this one, Trey?
19. But see, mine's got extensions and all mine, man. You know what I'm saying? Daryl ain't rocking with that yet. Daryl ain't rocking with that. All extensions. All right, y'all have a good one.
Yes, sir. You too. Enjoy. That's your 22.
Huh?
That's your 22.
Yeah. Titman 22, Glock 19 next. Glock 19. Fucking pistol grip shotgun. What is this? Glock 45, Glock 21. What you got over here, Daryl? Let me see. Got an AR and a 5.56. AR 22. Another pistol grip AR. Knock your fucking block off. Oh. And he got them crayons in there. Shit ain't safe to shoot inside. Oh, I was about to say, where the 19 at? There you go, right there.
All you do is you put a bullet right there, push it down, slide it up.
Teaching the young bull how to load it up.
Now, when you pushing that up, push that. Push this down, put the bullet in, keep it right there. Move this up, slide this back at the same time.
Get it? Shake it. Or you can just use it. The easy way, I just use my fingers, man.
Did I get it right? Yeah.
You can't just do it like this. Push that back right down, push it in there like that. It's gonna get a little high once you get further down there, but the first like 20 you can put in there like that. That should be easy. You got. Oh, you not there.
Too many movies. Too many movies, nigga. You see nigga loading up and shit in the movies. Yeah. That's
4-5.
Some gorilla nuts.
The egg rolls. The carry out. Oh, Dara, you want to see how I do something?
Why you trying to look like it got a cutter barrel?
That probably. I don't know.
So it's
like
like
this the fucking.
Yeah, it's all done.
It's a Gen 5
I mean,
19.
how many you want to put in there, Mark?
This the Gen.
Good for me.
What's the fucking Gen is this? Yeah, that's a Gen 3.
Yeah.
Gen 3. I like this one better.
Gen 5?
The Gen 3 one, whatever Gen that is. Because this one, it got too many. I don't like all these ridges. It make it look like the BB gun shit.
So like, how shall I react to this recoil?
There ain't gonna be no recoil.
Okay, you gotta shoot with that. You do what? That hurts. This ain't 21. Air protection on.
I don't need it for that.
Going hot. Good.
You aiming or you just shooting? Oh, Mark know what he doing. Nah, he emptied the clip.
Really? That's all I wanted to know.
God damn. Had to make sure that bitch worked.
Yeah. God damn. You shooting the Glock net? Dude, that shit loud as hell. I told you.
Oh yeah, the AR, that shit ain't no joke. That 22, yeah, that shit just bang bang.
God damn.
You get the bang 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 bang. You get the bang 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 with the AR. The 22, you get that 5.56. That shit knock your block off.
Boy, if you don't.
Ready? Yeah.
Yes.
Big ice, you can see what my wrist like. Bad bitch wanna see what the dick like. I wanna see what the trip like. 10 bags, you can see what it feel like. Pop man, you can come and get it right. Riff, when we spinning it right. Yeah, shout you sending them good night. White bitch, you don't have me good night. Good lane, I was sitting the whole flight. Flight car, we was creeping the whole night. Riff, nigga, gotta say so.
Damn, you emptied that joint already? Y'all had a 430 in there?
Nah, I didn't feel
I'm about to say that motherfucker empty quick as shit.
Yeah, you gotta put some muscles on.
Gotta let him shoot that 4.5. It's bigger than the 19.
How many ounces in this 10?
Yeah.
Joint fat as hell.
Yeah, you got
ready
it.
for it?
Alright.
God damn, my wrist hurt.
You gotta empty the clip. Finish.
Damn!
That's it. It might be already one in there now. You can shoot it and see. That's all 10 of them. That shit went fast as shit.
I like these. These motherfuckers don't have no kickback.
Rambo.
Wow.
Might want back up.
I ain't tripping off that. You ready?
Fuck no.
Come on, it ain't that bad because the barrel long and he got that. When the fuck you put that grip on that? Now that I'm looking at it.
Oh, that's that giant bar last time.
You gotta take the safety off.
Yeah. Smoking.
Oh, he...
My little
Should have thought it would come apart.
You out? It's over?
Yeah, he out.
You out?
How you like that one compared to the red one?
I like the red one better.
Cause it's longer, no homo.
Sir, sir. I've been out here plenty of times, man. It's your first time.
It's just got a, from the 19, this is a 19X, it just got a longer like handle than a 19 for real. It got a 17 handle with a 19 slide basically. It got this handle, but it got the 19 slide up here.
Wow.
Yeah, you good. Iron Man. Oh yeah, I should get that joint like red on the interior, like all the black parts red. Call that joint. Yeah. Why your wrist look all loose?
Huh?
Why your wrist look all loose? Yeah, come close, man. Look at all over there. That's you there. That's showing these bullets we fucking hitting with.
Wow,
big ass egg rolls. Egg rolls in your bitch, boy. Big dumb ass RoboCop jump.
For so long, how you do that? I don't know, Holmes. Just give me the dough at the door for the show, Holmes. Big trap, I'm rich. We sippin' walk hard, nigga, ain't sippin' no liquor. Big racks, I'm big. I do not worry about niggas, I'm handling business. I'm moving bag in the trench. That nigga cheap, put a bag on the nigga, we get him. And we hit a lick and we split it. No, I don't play about money, you swim with the fish. If you ain't real, we can't get with a witness. We in the Benz, we don't fuck with no limits. Bitch, I'm a shooter, fire me a pick.
Yeah. I ain't gonna shoot this. I'm gonna just show them this. This the pretty boy right here. Pretty boys are the Glocks. Pretty boy with your bitch, boy. Say this for last. Let's go over here to Mark. Are you shooting the shotgun today?
Yeah, but I do.
Alright. I'll shoot it first.
Trevor, how'd I go first?
Let's get into the picnic basket.
You killing Boo Boo with that motherfucker.
Bro, this young hot as shit too.
We in the trap, we stay home, raw can't leave till all of this weight gone. And I got a gun, I don't play homes. I'm in the trap, I ain't making no day songs. And I'm fucking her when on day homes. If she tell me she lay homes, and all of the place gone. Face get a nigga, I don't know what to say homes. Get a nigga, I don't know what to say homes.
Too high, too high.
Shoot in the face homes. Big Riff, I kill him the day homes. I get him, I see him the day homes. We get the big low.
Pull out my hand. It's not as bad when we first shooting it. Now it's like it's not that bad.
Gonna be a big guy? You be a big guy? There you go. There you go.
Mark did say he wasn't going to shoot the shotgun, but he became a big guy and went out there. What you do is stick your finger. This is the pot where they will release this. So stick your finger over there. And that should release it. And you see the bullet right there? If once it go up in there, that means you run it hot. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now look. Spread your feet out a little bit. Make sure you got a good grip.
Say hello to my little friend. As you guys say.
Mark, make sure you grip in this part.
What? Yeah, that shit will fly up out your hand.
I don't want to shoot this shit.
Pull it! Bust, nigga, bust!
So you think I'll do it to me?
Stay on my collard greens!
You want to come be my friends? Okay, my God. Yeah. Ah!
Ah!
Just that wrist though.
Was just that one in there? You want to shoot it now?
No, it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
It is?
It's clear. That motherfucking target down. Knock the target off.
Mark, look, bring it down a little bit.
Yeah, that jump will jump up out your hand and smack you in the.
Press on the trigger and then I shoot. Nah, it's gonna feel like that.
You gotta pull the shit out that jump. There you go.
I broke my wrist. God damn.
Finish him! Fatality.
Devastated.
God damn.
Big boy out. You know what happened? That loose lips. Loose lips sink ships. Damn! We Audi 5000 head ass. Only 10% left. Battery level low. Shut the fuck up. Thank you for tuning in to the video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Go check out my Instagram at Trevor Mcfly, and also check out my clothing brand page at FlyandHighStreetwear.com. Thank you.